Hello, hello. Welcome back to Easy English Learning. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. We were absolutely blown away by the comments on our first 20 Daily Words episode. It seems you guys are hungry for more.
You know, Sarah, it makes sense. English is a living language. It's not just about grammar, it's about the vibe.
And there it is. Word number one, vibe.
This word is everywhere now on TikTok, in offices, in cafes. What does it actually mean when we say a place has a good vibe? Think of it as an invisible energy. If you walk into a room and you immediately feel relaxed and happy, that's a positive vibe. But Sarah, have you ever walked into a room and felt like something was off?
Oh, definitely. Like when two people just had an argument and you walk in. That is a very awkward vibe.
Exactly. Word number two, awkward. Listeners, pay attention to this one. It's not just bad, it's uncomfortable. Sarah, tell us about your most awkward moment this week.
Well, I was in the elevator and I thought the person next to me was talking to me. I replied, "Oh, I agree." But it turned out he was wearing AirPods and talking on the phone.
That is the definition of awkward. The silence after that must have been painful.
It was. I just looked at my shoes the whole time.
Speaking of painful situations, let's talk about work. I feel like everyone I know lately is suffering from burnout.
Word number three, burnout. This is serious. It's not just being tired after a long day. Burnout is a state of total emotional and physical exhaustion.
Right. And it often happens because we don't know how to step out of our comfort zone in a healthy way.
Word number four, comfort zone. Your comfort zone is the place where you feel safe and in control. But as they say, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Alex, all right, Sarah, we've talked about our vibes and comfort zones. Now, let's get down to business. In a fast paced world, how do we stay in the loop without losing our minds? Word number six, in the loop. Alex, I love this one. To be in the loop means to be part of a group that is kept informed about something.
Exactly. If you're out of the loop, you have no idea what's going on. In my office, we have so many meetings just to make sure everyone is on the same page.
Word number seven, on the same page. This is a classic. It means when two or more people have the same understanding or agreement about something.
But you know what's tedious, Sarah?
Let me guess. Those long meetings that could have been an email?
Bingo. Word number eight, tedious. Something is tedious when it's boring, continues for a long time, and is often repetitive, like data entry or, sometimes, long commutes.
I feel you. And when you have too many tedious tasks, you start to feel overwhelmed.
Word number nine, overwhelmed. This is a big emotion. It's when you feel like you have too much to deal with, too much work, too many emotions, and you don't know where to start.
When I feel overwhelmed, I usually tell my boss, please just cut to the chase.
That's bold. Word number 10, cut to the chase. It means to stop talking about unimportant details and get directly to the most important part.
It saves so much time. But Alex, some people aren't that direct. They prefer to play it by ear.
Word number 11, play it by ear. This is a beautiful idiom. It means to deal with a situation as it develops without making a fixed plan in advance.
For example, if we're traveling and don't book a hotel, we are playing it by ear. It can be exciting, but also a bit stressful.
We've had a busy day, Sarah, from tackling tedious tasks to making sure everyone is on the same page. But sometimes making those big decisions feels like a tough call.
Word number 12, tough call. This means a difficult decision to make, especially when both options have good and bad points. For example, deciding which university to go to is a really tough call for me. Alex, absolutely. And sometimes you just have to go with your gut feeling. Word 13, gut feeling. This is your intuition, an instinctual feeling you have about something without knowing why. It's like a voice in your stomach telling you something.
I rely on my gut feeling a lot, especially when I'm faced with a decision that has a lot of back and forth.
Word 14, back and forth. This refers to a lot of discussion or argument, or even physical movement between two places. We went back and forth for hours trying to decide on the best plan.
You know, these experiences, the ups and downs of life, they all teach us something.
Word 15, ups and downs. This means the good and bad times, the successes and failures that we all experience. Every business has its ups and downs.
It's important not to take it for granted. The challenges, the lessons, every bit of it.
Word 16. Take it for granted. This means to not appreciate something because you are so used to having it, or to assume something is true without thinking about it. Alex, and sometimes the best way to learn and grow is to really step out of your comfort zone. Word 17. Step out of your comfort zone. We talked about comfort zones earlier. To step out of it means to intentionally do something that makes you feel a little uncomfortable or nervous because it helps you grow.
So, after all this discussion, all in all, I think we've covered some really essential ground today.
Word 18. All in all. This is a fantastic phrase to summarize. It means considering everything or on the whole. For example, all in all, it was a very productive day.
And finally, two more words that describe people. Sarah, you are very down to earth.
Oh, thank you, Alex. Word 19. Down to earth. This means practical, realistic, and friendly. Someone who is down to earth is not pretentious or fancy.
And you also have a very spontaneous side.
Word 20. Spontaneous. This means doing things suddenly without much planning. I love spontaneous road trips. Alex. Well, that's another 20 words for our amazing listeners. We hope this helps you navigate your daily conversations with more confidence. Don't forget to practice in the comments and keep us posted on your progress.
Great use of word number 21. Keep me posted, which means to keep someone informed about new developments. Perfect.
I guess we added an extra one.
All in all, it was a great episode. See you next time on Easy English Learning.